If you want to keep mosquitoes from ruining your evening, but you don't want to be spraying poisons or pesticides all over the place, here's a non-toxic way to keep mosquitoes at bay. What you can do is get a glass jar, an empty jar, and we're going to add first 2 or 3 sprigs of fresh rosemary, and then some water. Just plain water. Fill it up at least 3/4 of the way or so. There you go. Now, some lemon eucalyptus oil. I want to add maybe 10 drops or so. And some fresh slices of lemon and lime, just 2 each would be plenty. And now we're going to top it off with a tea candle, small tea candle. Going to light that and set that right on top. There you go, and it'll just float on top. Not only will that keep mosquitoes away, but it looks great and it'll be a nice addition to your table.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Type Bond, the pro's advantage.